Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Glimpse to My World. So today I'm going to show you a small part of Mangalore. It is a good view because it was already late and lightings were there. So I had to visit Saurashtra, the uniform center, to get an uniform for my cousin. So thought of recording and sharing with you all. So today I'm going to share you a small view of Market Road. It was late evening and during this time there will be usually traffic because in this time people will return to their home from their jobs and students may go back to their home. So I like visiting Market Road because it is a spot where I find everything front of my eyes, and I don't know, I love visiting there and shopping from them because you get very good things for a reasonable prices. So from here we enter to the Market Road. As you enter to the Market Road, you may find shops on either side of the road. There are different varieties of the clothing shops, jewelry shop, silver jewelry shop, gold jewelry shop, clothing accessory, bedding accessories, house accessories, fancies and many more. And from here the vegetables and fruit vendors will start selling their fruits and vegetables on the roadside. Well, I wanted to share my opinion on them. Vendors are not there only on the roadside just to sell the fruits. They are also earning some hard money to fulfill their basic needs. You may find some shop where their pricing will be precise, but the street vendor will try to cheat people to get more profit. So many people practice bargaining, but if we are regular customer and if they know we will not bargain, they will give for a reasonable price and they will not cheat. I have seen many people bargaining and negotiating with them. I'm not against bargaining with the vendors. I'm just telling you that bargain, but to a certain limit. Don't do so much. They have to sell fruit because they have to take something back to their house, right? I mean, don't bargain so much that they have to sell the fruits in compulsion. I hope you understand what do I mean. Please take in a positive note. So we had to go for Dubai market. Front side of the Dubai market was full. There was no parking spot. So we went to the back side of the Dubai market and parked our vehicle there. We had to visit Saurashtra Clothing Center. Saurashtra Cloth Stores is a top and well-known uniform manufacturer and supplier in Central Market, Mangalore, and also known for the apparels, hospital uniform, police uniform. You also find school accessories such as bags, uniform, water bottle, tiffin bag, tiffin box, raincoat, umbrella, pencil box, geometry, and many more. Here is the entrance of Dubai market from the back side. You can see various snacks here, but you have to buy it in a wholesale thing. You cannot buy a packet of one chips or chocolate from here. You have to take in wholesale thing because it's a wholesale market and there are many wholesale bags, clothing shop, belts, hats and much more. And mainly you get many mobile accessories and laptop accessories here. You get a second hand mobile phones in such a great rate here. So we have to climb two more steps. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and support me to grow. Your subscription will help me to grow my channel. Please support me to grow. Let's grow together. And also like if you like my videos and enjoy Saurashtra Tro. I hope you like today's video. Keep on watching to see what and all you will find in Saurashtra store.